Why, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. It is Brad Pitt with TarverAcademy.com, and I am just ready to do some math, because you know me, I love acting, and I love math. TarverAcademy.com. Okay, so let's look at today's problem, see if you can get it right. The average of Paula's 2 test scores must be 80 or more for her to get at least a B in the class. She got a 72 on her first test. What grades can she get on the second test to make at least a B in the class? Can you guys help Paula out? She's struggling, and her parents are like, you make a B or better, you're not going to get to go to 4-H camp this summer. And she loves 4-H camp. Her best friend, Jenny Sue, loves it, and Paula and Jenny Sue just can't be separated for the summer. Why am I still talking? Pause it and see if you can work it, and then we'll see if you got it right. Ready, go. Okay. All right, so here you are. All right, so we want to know, this is an averaging problem, but it's not one where you have to go to extensively to figure out. But I want to show you the procedure so you can get it right in case there's like, a lot of times they'll do this question, they'll give you like 4 or 5 averages, and they'll say, what do they need to make on the last test to get this, whatever. I'm going to give you how to do it. Okay, so X is what? X is going to be our, yes, the test that she needs to, like, what she has to make on her second test. So second test is X, okay? We know her first test was 72, okay? So to find the average of those two, you would add them together and divide it by however many there are. There are 2, so we do that. And we need it to be a what? 80 or more. Now, a lot of times they're going to want you to be like, oh, make it a greater than or equal to. You could. It doesn't really matter because you just really need to know which number it's going to be attached to, okay? None of these are like 87, 88, so it's not like, oh, I don't know which one is it. Is it before or after more? Whatever. I would just do equals on this problem, okay? So now we just solve it. All right, you got to get rid of what's furthest away from the X first, which is this little 2 down here. It's being divided by 2, so the opposite of divide by 2 is multiply by 2. So that cancels out. It's going to be X plus 72 equals, and then you do 80 times 2, which is 160. Good job. You're so smart. Okay, then we just get rid of the 72. Opposite of plus 72 is minus 72. That's not a 7. Minus 72, that cancels out. And then you just subtract and be 88. Boom! And that's the answer, which is right here. C, at least 88. But C, give your Hogwarts house 1,000 points because you're the greatest. Unless Dumbledore comes at the end, he's like, oh, Gryffindor wins no matter what because I'm biased. Whatever. Seems kind of shady. All right, there should be rules to the points. You can't just like pick what you want. Whatever. I don't know why I'm getting off this. Okay, so there you go, 88. You can always check it by doing 72, averaging 72 and 88. Easy way to do it is find the middle. If it's only 2 of them, just find the middle. Okay, there's 16 between them. That means you go up 8, go 8. You're going to be stuck at 80, which is exactly what you want to be. All right. Thank you for joining me, and if you could, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. It means super, super so much to me if you subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you're like, I already am subscribed, well, you're probably my favorite person in the world. And if you're not subscribed, well, it's completely free, so you should anyways. Peace. Hey, it's me, Sonic the Hedgehog. I want to let you know that if you click that little circle to subscribe, then we're going to send you $2 million in the mail. You just got to go to the bank and pay for it. Subscribe. I don't